The most common question about trademarks is probably also the most basic. What are they? The Impress Your Friends answer to that question is that trademarks are typically a word, phrase, logo, or symbol used in connection with the advertisement or sale of goods or services, and acts as an indicator of the source of those goods or services. What does that actually mean? You could probably find a half dozen trademarks just looking around you right now. Are you wearing sneakers with that recognizable swoosh logo on it? Perhaps if you were to check the label inside your shirt, it might read Izod or Calvin Klein. Maybe you're even drinking a Pepsi. These are recognizable trademarks, and the brands they represent are built on using trademarks to distinguish their products and services from those of anyone else. So let's go back to our original question. Each of the names in the Nike logo I referenced earlier are trademarks because they tell you who made their various products. Hopefully, these examples demonstrate the meaning of that more complicated definition. The trademarks are a form of identification that helps consumers figure out who made the goods or services they are buying. Trademarks can also be used to identify service providers, such as Delta for airline travel. These are sometimes referred to as service marks since they're associated with the sale of services and not products. However, the term trademark is often employed even when referring to branding for services, since there's no substantive difference between trademarks and service marks. Most of the time, when people think of trademarks, they tend to focus on business names like the ones I just mentioned. However, a trademark can take many different forms. They can also be slogans or taglines like, I'm loving it for McDonald's. The Nike swoosh is a famous design that is also a trademark. While the most common types of trademarks are names, logos, and slogans, there are less common types as well. For example, sounds can also function as trademarks. Just think of the NBC chimes. Colors can also be trademarks. You've probably seen the Owens Corning Pink Panther insulation. That pink color for insulation is a trademark owned by Owens Corning. Even scents can be trademarks. Can you think of the smell of Play Doh? Many people can, and for that reason, the smell of Play Doh is a trademark registered with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Trademarks have substantial value to the individuals or businesses that own them because they want their consumers to be able to tell them apart from competitors and to establish goodwill among those consumers. Businesses want their consumers to have a positive experience with the products or services they have provided so that they'll remember and return to the business for their future needs. They're also useful to consumers because consumers want to know the source of the goods or services that they're buying. Imagine if you had multiple business owners that were allowed to deliver and sell pizzas under the name Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut executives would have major problems with competitors using the same name and taking advantage of the Pizza Hut brand without having to invest in establishing that brand. And you, as the consumer, well, you'd have no idea what kind of pizza, in terms of style, quality, and ingredients, is going to show up at your door once you place the order. Because of trademarks, you can travel across the country and order a pizza from any Pizza Hut with confidence that you pretty much know exactly what you're going to be getting. That's the basic concept behind trademarks. Now, not all trademarks are created equal, and trademark rights may vary depending on some additional factors, like whether they're based in common law versus federally registered. If you have any questions or would like to speak with an experienced trademark attorney, please feel free to call me at 480-360-3499 or email me at kevin@yourtrademarkattorney.com. I look forward to speaking with you.